Greetings, this is Eduardo Jumbo. In this tutorial, the JavaScript ternary operator for if-else shorthand will be used. This is brought to you from the jumboshop.com Learning JavaScript course. So as you can see here, you can use the ternary operator in JavaScript to create a shorthand for conditional if-else statements. You can also nest the operators so that you can have basically an if, else type of a statement, or you can nest it several times as well. So it's pretty simple. I'm not going to get too much into the if-else conditions. You can simply look at the glossary, or you can look at previous tutorials I made about the if-else, else-if tutorial. So the operator actually uses the question mark. So first you have the condition, then there will be the question mark symbol. So that is if it's true, and you can have another one for the if it's false, basically an else statement. So as you can see here, it's a very simple one. If the age is greater than 18, then you're an adult. Everything else, you're going to be a minor. It's that simple. Now, for the nested version, all you do is you just add another, use the else symbol for else if. So for example, in this particular case, once again, if you're greater than 18, you're an adult. So that leaves us everything less than 18. So in that case, if you're greater than 13, I'll make you a teen, and everything else you'll be a minor. So basically it's an if, else, if, and else. That's as simple. So you can expand here to see the code. Here's the screenshot of the tutorial we're doing today, and this is the output. This is the video you're watching right now. So basically, this is brought to you by the jumboshop.com JavaScript course. And you can use its ID, as you can see in this screenshot here. For the story, you can follow along with your favorite editor and a web browser. I've done tutorials in the past where I showed you how you can do that. So let's head over to jumboshop.com and we can start this tutorial. So the tutorial part of this tutorial, double pun, is based on I chose the chapter 5 if else conditional statement. So you can just grab the code and just paste it in here. Or for example, I'm just going to paste the comment here, and then I'll set an age to 15. Then I'll create a variable called group. So I'll say age is greater than 18. Then I'll say you'll be an adult, else you'll be a minor. Nice and simple. Then I can output this to the, there we go, to the console. Now we're going to do a nested ternary operator. So we'll change the group. So we'll make the age greater than 18 again. This will make you an adult. Create another one called age is greater than 13. This will make you a teen. Else everything will be minor. Print that out. Then what I'll do is I'll copy this. I don't know if it's exactly the same as line 6. Or I'll first change the age to 3. Well, then I'll console.log group. Then I'll change the age to 30. So print it out. So the reason I have to do this a few times is because of the way JavaScript runs. JavaScripts run basically in series from the top to bottom. So it will get confused when I do this because it will use the previous one. So I have to type this in again. So if we see here, for the first console, it's minor because the age is 15. For the second one, here I changed the, when I created the nested one, you see the age is still 15, so that's a teen. And for the third one, I made the age 3. We're using the nested operator now, and it's a minor because it's 3. And when I change the age to 30, same nested group here, you become an adult. So as you can see here, this is JavaScript, and JavaScript by default is open source. It runs, it's based on the MS Script standard, licensed under W3 software license, which lets it run in the web browser. But this allows you to, for commercial use, modification, distribution allows making derivatives proprietary. And also there's ways you can run JavaScript outside a web browser, but that you need to use some third-party, or you can create your own platforms, such as Node.js, Tori. I've done tutorials on that. If you can make embedded server-side embedded applications. And then I do have a Learning JavaScript course for you. It's on jumboshop.com. This site I've just come from here. As you can see, all you need is a web browser. It's available 24/7. There's no subscriptions. You just pay once, and you'll be able to use the course. Everything we learned today, you can easily, as you saw today, you can just follow along in the course. And the links are also in the description, or you can go to jumboshop.com/javascript-ternary operator. There's also a book version of the course. The book version obviously doesn't come with the JavaScript or the IDE, but all the same material is in the book. So you have two options. You can get the paperback version, means a physical book will be mailed to you, or you can get the ebook version. These are both available on Amazon. You search for Editor Jumbo. Links are also in the description. And as you can see here, for this article, under references, you can click here to go to the Learning JavaScript course on jumboshop.com, or the Learning JavaScript paperback on Amazon, or Learning JavaScript ebook on Amazon. If you want something else, maybe different courses, or you want some one-on-one tutorials online, you can visit jumboservices.com. I can tutor you in any programming language, or maybe you want to learn databases, I can tutor that as well. Maybe you want to learn how to create applications for mobile devices, maybe desktop, or web. I can tutor that, or maybe you just need help. I can help you with that as well. If you want to create one from scratch, that goes for a website as well. Maybe you want to create a website from scratch, or maybe you want to integrate a bigger database, or optimize your database, or maybe you just want to have like e-commerce, payment processes, logistics, shipping, can help you with that as well. Chat. Okay, so thank you.